Hi, in this video I'll show you how to access and use a space-saver spare tire. Stored under the trunk floor, this space tire is common in Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche SUVs. It's compact, inflatable, and meant for temporary use. You can lift the space master tire out easily. In this Volkswagen Touareg, the car comes with a tire inflator stored near the spare tire. Uncoil the hose and power cables from the tire inflator. These cables have clips to connect to the battery. Tough in other cars, the cable may have a plug for the 12-volt socket. Remove the valve cap from the tire. We'll use it later to remove the valve core and release the air. Attach the tire inflator hose to the valve on the collapsible spare tire. While the battery in the Volkswagen Touareg is under the driver's seat, the positive and negative terminals are conveniently accessible under the hood for connecting the power cables. Connect the positive terminal first to avoid short circuits. Then connect the negative clip. All set, turn on the tire inflator. The recommended pressure for this collapsible spare tire in Volkswagen Touareg is 51 psi or 3.5 bars. Always check your vehicle's specifications, which can be found on the driver's side door jamb, as it may vary by model. Monitor the tire pressure on the inflator display. Once it reaches the recommended 51 psi, turn off the tire inflator. Take the bolt cover tool. It's usually stored in the trunk alongside the tire inflator, and another tool's needed for a wheel change. We'll use it to remove the wheel bolt caps. Take the wheel lock key from the trunk. It's required to remove the locking wheel bolt on each wheel. The wheel replacement process is standard. Here we're focusing on how to use the collapsible spare tire. Use the valve cap to unscrew the core. Turn it counterclockwise to release the air from the collapsible spare tire. As the air is released, the collapsible spare tire returns to a compact shape, ready to be stored back in the trunk. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more practical car tips.